Tombo, Tombo, Weekend Waka. Tombo, Tombo, Weekend Waka. Tombo, Tombo, Weekend Waka. Tombo, Tombo.
You know, you gotta first of all appreciate these. I came up with this idea, guys, but you guys don't know that. But anyway, I'm gonna got the new car smell. I'm gonna try this on. This is a size 10. Okay, this is the snug one. It's tight.
It's tight?
I mean tight like it's snug. Okay, I got space here.
You have space?
Yeah.
Oh, you said it's
tight on here.
Okay.
Like it's supposed to be.
Okay. Oh, you mean in a good way, not like you can't fit.
No, I can feel it. This is your ultimate dancing shoe. Fits tight. You know how when you're about to fall, the shoe's holding you because it's so.
How's that?
It actually does feel good.
It does?
Yeah. It's. So maybe I think it also depends on what type of person you are. If I like my shoes tight, stop doing that, JJ. If I like my shoes tight, it's like that. If I don't like, maybe I like my shoes loose, but I like this.
You like that?
Feels
How?
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This feels good.
That's your size.
Yeah. This is my size.
You wouldn't want anything bigger.
No. This is good.
Okay. Just making sure.
Cause the part that normally I would have said no if I could feel I'm hitting.
Oh, hitting the.
Yeah, but I'm not.
Okay,
There's space here,
Okay, good.
right?
Okay.
And this feels tight,
Okay. So it's holding.
so it's good.
Okay.